How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be discussing the access modifiers of default and public. Alright, let's get straight to it. But for data to be default means it can only be accessed in the same package. Variables, methods, and classes can be default. Alright, so for example, if you create a default class, in our first package we have class A. Class A doesn't have a keyword in front of it. So when we try to import package 1 with class A, Java is going to give you an error because class A is default and you can only use class A if it's inside of package 1. In our main method in package 2, it doesn't give you an error if you create an A object, because when you don't create a constructor in class A, the constructor for class A is public by default. Alright, so for default variables and methods, in package 1 we have class A. Then we have 3 default methods: set name, get name, and get age. For this example, we had to make class A public so it can be accessed in package 2. So package 2 imports class A from package 1. If you create an A object and then try to call on anything, it won't call on the set name, get name, or get age methods because they're default and they have to be only called on inside of package 1. So that's pretty much how the default keyword works. Alright, now we're going to talk about the keyword public. So the public keyword means that your data can be accessed by any package that imports it. So you can use this keyword for your methods, variables, and classes. For example, if you create a class A in package 1 and make it public, when you try to import package 1 and package 2, Java won't give you an error because your class A is made public. So it can be accessed by any other package that imports it. Next, if you give the public keyword to all your methods, when you create an A object in package 2, your A object can call on your get age, set name, and get name methods. The same goes for public variables. So in package 1 you have your name and age data fields made public. So when you import package 1 and package 2 and create an A object, your A object can call on your data fields age and name. Because in the previous example, for public methods and classes, the data fields can't be called on because they're default. They were made default. But once you've made them public, your object can call on every data field you need that you imported from package 1. So stay tuned for part 2. I will be discussing the access modifiers of protected and private. Alright, thank you for watching.